and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Amy and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I filmed one of these last month and you guys really seemed to enjoy seeing what I eat in a day, and I also really liked showing you, so I thought I would do another one. Today I'm just at home doing uni work and filming and also going to the gym, so I thought I would show you what I eat today. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. I post new videos every Saturday at 7 PM and they always involve lots of pink. So does my Instagram, so if you want you can go and follow me on there. It's at Aloha Amy _. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get on with the video. So firstly, I always try and eat a big breakfast that will keep me full till lunchtime. Because I'm so busy with uni and work and YouTube, I don't really have time to have a snack, so I try to have a breakfast that will keep me full for longer. So today I had some banana cinnamon toast. I mentioned in my last video that that is one of my favourite breakfasts, and it's so quick and simple to make, but it's one of my favourites. So I simply just slice a banana and pop it on top of some buttered toast and sprinkle cinnamon on the top. It's as simple as that, but it's so tasty and it leaves me feeling full till lunchtime. With my breakfast I have my usual ½ litre of lemon water. I squeeze half a lemon into ½ litre of water and I drink that, and I just feel like that gives me lots of energy and keeps my skin glowing and nice and bright and clear. Then as I'm continuing through my day, I drink from my litre water bottle. I always drink from this and I try to drink between 3 and 4 bottles of this a day. So for lunch today I made myself a salad. I had some chicken and some cherry tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, blueberries, and I chopped up some grapes, and I just threw that all into a salad and had that with a little bit of ranch dressing. I said before that I am dairy free, however I can eat a little bit and so I can deal with a little bit of ranch dressing and it's really yummy. So I had that, and then after my lunch I had a Nutri-Grain bar, which is one of my favourite cereal bars. I feel like it's eating cake, but it's a little bit healthier for you, so I had one of them. Along with my lunch I also was drinking lots and lots of water. Then I went to the gym and I took my water with me, and I wore this really cute outfit that I wanted to show you because I like to wear pink outfits at the gym to just brighten everyone's day. When I came home from my workout I was super hungry, so I had a cup of coffee with some soya milk, and I also had 2 digestive biscuits with some jam spread in the middle. It's really yummy. I know it's not the healthiest, but I needed a little bit of sugar to keep me going, and so I had that. My mum says it's weird that I dunk my digestive biscuits with jam on them. She said that you shouldn't do that. I will literally dunk any biscuit in coffee. Later on at dinner time I had chicken goujons with sweet potato wedgies, salad and coleslaw. I love sweet potato wedgies. If I'm in a restaurant and there's a choice to choose between chips and sweet potato fries, I will always choose sweet potato because I just love it so much. So I had that with my dinner, and I also only ate a little bit of coleslaw because it wasn't a dairy free one. I do want to try the M&S vegan one, so let me know if you've tried it before, but I just had a little bit of coleslaw and some salad and my dinner was so nice. Chicken goujons is one of my favourite dinners, so I had that. Then later on in the evening I had a pink cupcake. I had this really pretty pink cupcake and it was white chocolate and raspberry flavoured. My mum made them. They're so tasty, and I just had that in the evening to keep me going along with my water. So that's everything that I ate today. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it interesting. I know I really like to watch these kind of videos, so if you want to see more of these then let me know in the comments. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next week in my next video. Bye!